Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we can create the beautiful faded background effect using on just CSS. It is very simple and easy. So you can see this. I'm already created the HTML file and CSS file, and one I have the background image. You can see this. This is a beautiful image. So we can add some basic CSS, and now let's look in the main CSS for the faded background effect. You can see this. This is a simple fading background effect using just only CSS. I hope this video was helpful for you, and you can ask me any question about this project, any other project, so you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.